This is the Everlit Survival Upgrade First Aid Kit. So on the front here, it does have the patches and they come off, which is always fun. I'm sure you can find other patches that have the Velcro if you want something different on there. And so on the top, it's just a zip, and then it has the Velcro piece, and then it's also latched. And here is the inside. And so it opens up even farther, and it's got your tape and everything in the zippy part here. And then everything just is really strapped in nicely, so it's not gonna go anywhere. But they have the bandages, and this right here is like the multi-tool. And then over here they have that cord that you can hook onto anything that turns into rope, and alcohol swipes and glow sticks and a flashlight. This is just a great little compact for your car. So it's definitely something if you have a new car or maybe just want to have something thrown in the back, this is a great purchase. And not only that, it's very compact. It's probably 8 inches by 10 inches. So it's a really compact first aid kit.